welcome back to another video. So in this channel I make tutorials on Premiere Pro and Photoshop. So if you're new here, make sure to smash on the subscribe button and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, today I will be showing you how to fast play a clip using Premiere Pro. Alright, so to get started, all you need to do is move your pointer towards where you want to have your fasten clip. So when you move your pointer towards the place you want to fasten your clip, and you just simply got to select your razor tool from the tools panel, or you can use your keyboard and click on C to activate your razor tool in Premiere Pro, and over there you can trim your clip from the beginning till the end of where you want to have your fast clip played. So I'm going to move it up to here and make a cut over there. And now what you got to do is you got to select your clip, right click and search in for the speed and duration. You will find speed and duration, select that and this thing will pop up. Now all you need to do is change your speed to above 100, so that will fast play your video. So I'm going to change it to about 250, and if you lower your speed to below 100, you will have a slow-mo effect played in your video. So I'm going to fast play my clip using a 250% on my video. And now what you need to select is you have to select your ripple, edit, shifting, trailing clips. You just got to tick this box and you got to change your time interpolation to optical flow, so you'll have a blended mode of your video clip. And now simply hit OK and you will have your video clip change. And now when you play back your video, you will have this fast mode effect in your video. And there you go. I hope you benefited from this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to smash on that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.